So what we have here, this is the factory boat winch on my 2008 MFI boat trailer from my Yamaha. So this has got a welded on bracket, and this thing, the gears inside have stripped out completely. I mean, it's old, it's from 2008, and it just sucks. It's a pain in the butt, and so I need to replace this. So what I want to do is, I don't want to put a clamp on one. I've already got this bracket here. So what we're gonna do, let's go ahead and take this off, and let's see how everything's bolted together first.
Okay, to pull this off, we're gonna use a 3/4 inch wrench, boxed end. This is a ratcheting one to make it easy. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. We'll back the nut off. And there we go, piece of cake. Comes out, you're gonna have your nut, and you're gonna have a spacer, and that's it. Simple, simple, simple. Let's go ahead and head into the garage and check this out. Okay, so we're back here in the garage. You can see we have the factory one right here. We also have, this is the bolt-on one. This is the winch that bolts around the frame. And then we have the welded version as well. So, price-wise, how much does all this cost? Well, and this is how they came too. So let's discuss first how they came. This one right here was shipped just like this. It was shipped assembled, it was shipped in a box, wasn't even shipped in a Fulton box, it was shipped in an Amazon box, ready to go. This is all that came with it, nothing else. This one right here was shipped disassembled, was shipped in that box, which got destroyed, along with this box too as well. Now, price-wise, this is the crazy part. The bolt-on one right here costs $120. That's right, $120 for this one. It actually comes, it is the exact same in every way, except that it comes with more. It comes with this plate, and it comes with these bolts and the backing plates and the hardware. This one costs $180, the welded on one. They are identical. There is nothing different about them. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the bolt-on one, and we are going to unbolt this nut right here, and I'm gonna show you just how interchangeable all of these are so that you can hopefully save some money. Now, weight rating. Factory one is rated at 1,200 pounds, and both of these are rated at 1,500 pounds. These also have grease zerks located on them for the wheels. They also have grease zerks located up and bottom there as well. This one just has the one. This one also has a nice little stop handle, so once you have it stowed, this will keep the handle from hanging down low as you're driving like that. It's got a nice pull handle here, which is really nice, a lot better than this metal thing. And it's actually got what they call their Sharkskin coating, which I don't know what it is, but it's nice. Wheel-wise, the wheel looks just about identical to what's on there from the factory. Almost looks like it's the exact same wheel. So, let's go ahead and break this one down. And to do that, all we're gonna need is our 3/4 inch wrench. Okay, so we got that unbolted. And of course we got the bolt, we got the spacer, we got the nut. Let's go ahead and take this bolted bracket. Let's go ahead and we'll set this off to the side. Side by side comparison. There is no difference at all. It is the exact same jack. The exact same jack. Welded on one, bolted on one. The only difference is this one came assembled, this one did not. And this one's like freaking $50 cheaper. and it comes with more, believe it or not. Now let's compare that to the jack we have from the factory. So that's where they would line up. And I'm gonna go ahead and we'll just go ahead and move this all the way up. So that's all the way up, that's all the way up. So the wheels are about at the exact same height with, you know, withdrawn back into the jack. But I would say there's quite a bit more room. It's advertised as 2 inches longer, and we can run these out and see, and I'll do that for you right now. Hardware wise, it is the exact same hardware. It is the exact same hardware that we have. So there they are laid out. OEM, weld on, bolt on. So I've taken the cap off, and I don't know how well you guys are gonna see this, but what's happened is the teeth on that top gear, that's what's happened, is these teeth have been chewed off. And you can see all the remains that are in there. That's what failed, it's just that top gear. So as advertised, about 2 inches longer. And you know, 2 inches isn't a lot to people, but to some it's quite a bit. So that's pretty much the specifications of everything. So now let's discuss the good and the bad. This kit right here, this was 120, the bolt-on kit. This kit right here, the weld-on kit, which just came the way it is. This one was 180. So we can reuse our washers that came off the old jack and nut. So we can totally reuse that with this, we're good to go. But with this one, not only do we get the new washer that goes inside, you know, if this one was worn out, this gets replaced, because you can buy this kit right here separately. I believe it's like $15 to $20 on Amazon just for this nut kit. But this comes with it. It's cheaper. So this is a no-brainer. I don't know why you would want to buy this. It's just priced stupidly, I guess. That's all there is to it. So we'll go ahead and get this put together, get it put on, and we'll show you how this installs. Okay, so it's super windy. I don't know how well you're gonna hear this, but here's how we're gonna start this endeavor. First thing, I'm gonna take just a little bit of wheel bearing grease, and I'm just gonna go on there with it. I'm not really doing a lot, but just a little. That's it. Just kind of where this is gonna rub, that's all. Don't know if it's gonna stay, but it's worth a shot. Take this, set that in there, grab my spacer, All right, everyone. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you can use this information when buying a new jack and see if you can save some money or not. Why, you know, one costs more than the other is beyond me. I'm sure it's just, you know, stupid retail politics, who knows. But that Fulton, the new Fulton jack is awesome. I mean, it is effortless, super smooth. It looks nice. It'll probably last, you know, another 10 years or whatever. So I'll put all the links for all the stuff in the description of the video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment.
If there's something you think I need to be doing better, let me know. I try my best. And everyone take care. See you out in the lake here pretty soon. Bye.